Good day and welcome to another installment of the MeCAD Minute. My name is Deon Le Grange and today I am going to show you how you can enable configuration selection for previews inside SOLIDWORKS PDM. This question was raised by Wayne Easton from Smart Canopy. The first thing you want to do is enable the full user interface for SOLIDWORKS previews. To make this change, go to Display, Options, and select the option Show Full User Interface in SOLIDWORKS Preview. You can see that I have configurations for closed, no cylinder, and opened. But from this drop-down, I can't select any of these configurations to display. Only the last active configuration will be displayed inside the preview window. Let's open this file inside SOLIDWORKS. Check out the file. Then, go to the Configuration Manager tab. Right-click the assembly and select the option Display Data Mark and choose Add Display Data Mark for all configurations. We can add it to separate configurations as well. Notice the icons in front of each configuration name. Save the file. And check in. Let's return to the SOLIDWORKS PDM user interface. Reselect the file, and as you can see here now, I have drop downs for several configurations. First, there's my open configuration. I can select the closed configuration, and I can finally select the no cylinder configuration. Okay, so two important things to take note of regarding this setting. First, this setting will affect your file size. In this specific case, my file size has increased by a factor of almost 3.5 times. Second, this setting cannot be turned on by default inside SOLIDWORKS files yet. You will have to apply this setting to every new file that you save to your SOLIDWORKS PDM file vault. An SPR has already been logged with SOLIDWORKS that asks for the display data mark to be added automatically to new configurations. This was logged under SPR 1096053. We hope that this fix gets applied soon. Thank you for watching. Until next time.